afternoon, YouTube. So we are at Old Town Rig Down here in Nacogdoches, Texas. Having some fun out here at this awesome truck show on this Saturday. Today's Saturday. They got some awesome trucks out here, so I'm walking down here to the end so I can do a better job of showing y'all all the trucks. But it is hot out here, y'all. Like slave heat hot out here. But we've already seen some familiar faces, some familiar people. And we'll try to catch up with them here a little bit later. But we've been here for a while already. It's just been too hot to do anything. But I promise you all some content. And so that is what we're going to go ahead and do. So let's check out some of these trucks and see what they got going on down here at Old Town Rig Down. Ooh. Now y'all know I love this color on a truck. Love this color on a truck. Are you fine? I've seen this truck before somewhere. I don't know what it is about this cream color. Let's see. Oh, that's a nice blue there. This one's nice. It's unique. I like that color scheme. I love this blue one too. This one's for sale. Sat Brothers, custom trucks and accessories. I'm probably gonna get copyrighted with this music playing, but it is what it is. Ooh, this white and green one is nice here for sure. But you guys already know where I'm headed. I'm heading over to the W900 over there and to this international cab over right here, which are, these things are actually growing on me. Look at the inside of here. That's a washroom seats. Yeah, this bad boy here is nice. Thomas Oilfield Service. Yeah, this bad boy is nice. And of course we got the W900 car hauler suspension. Look at this bad boy here. And I like this gold chain, this red chain here. But there's one thing about the front of these trucks, the rear of them, you can tell a whole different part of the truck. You can tell this was a work truck right here. I got the rag on the back of this one here. When I tell y'all I think I overdressed for the heat out here. I seen old stuntman earlier. I'm gonna try to catch up with him here in a little bit. But oh man. Ooh, this one is nice. This is definitely a heavy hauler truck. Okay, this one done caught my eye. Ooh, wee. Oh, twin stick, y'all. Look at that. What in the world? Wow. That one there is for sale. Now the one that's been standing out to me is this one right here. This is probably going to be the kind of color, something similar, a little bit lighter, that we're going to paint the FLD. Maybe not the gold scheme, but definitely the like the military green almost. But the FLD is going to be something similar to this color. Not as dark, but somewhere in that family. Cat powered. These are all day cabs. Oh, okay. Jay's paint and body. Oh no, this one's nice. Oh, 89. Toot. Excuse me. They found your.
Y'all holding out okay?
Yes, surprisingly with the heat. Actually, we'll be at y'all's truck show. What is it, in November or so?
November, first weekend of November.
Okay, can you tell us about it?
So we have our Louisiana truck show in Green.
Okay.
We're gonna have a great time.
Okay, awesome. When is it?
November 1st, 2nd, and 3rd.
1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Okay. We won't have a
Weekend of November.
first weekend of November. Okay. In Rain, Louisiana? Rayne.
Correct.
Southern Louisiana. I've been there a few times.
Southwest Louisiana.
Gotcha. Okay.
Absolutely.
And then we won't bring a truck this year, but it'll be ready for the year after that. So, okay. All right, awesome. All right, thank you. Yes, ma'am. Oh, Bruce Wilson's truck is here. Trad taxi. Oh, Trad taxi. And we've got to come see these old schools over here. Ooh. Oh, look at the Mac. Wow. Oh, I like that fuel cap. Okay, look at Mercer. All right, Mercer, we see you. We see you. Now, this is what you guys are going to want to see here. There's the old Massey race car. loads it up in this trailer. But first, look at that color. Oh man. Massey Motor Freight. Now that is a nice ride, y'all. Ooh, this one's not bad. I like the color on this one. I like how low it is. It says the Hurricane Specialized. Okay. Man, I love those stacks on that one. Third gen logistics. We'll go down there and check those out in a little bit. There goes a Big Rig Barbie's truck. Actually, she's right there. You always find a shade, huh, sir?
Yeah, I find the shade. Bro.
You want to tell your fans what's up?
You on a YouTube video now? Oh man, this is a famous YouTube guy.
No, it's not. This guy's got me beat.
You've got more subscribers than I do.
Not on TikTok.
That doesn't count because you don't post. So that doesn't count.
No, you got it, but you don't post on YouTube. So what does that say?
I do post on YouTube. It's sporadic.
But if you post it like I do.
I know. Dang, I can't say what I want to because you got the video. Hey, go.
This is my third time seeing you today and you're comfortable.
Yeah, because I come to the truck show to hang out. I'm not wiping down trucks. I don't have to sit in the merchandise tent.
Like you think it's your chair.
No, you want the shirt?
I seen you earlier. You were in their chair over there. I seen you twice. You were on a golf cart like it was yours.
Oh, you saw me on the golf cart?
Yeah, I saw you on the golf cart twice. I saw you go out with the golf cart and I see you come back in on the golf cart. All right, we'll circle back around. He was telling me that y'all are selling the truck, huh?
It's old.
It's old. Oh man, you got a nice truck there. I seen it at in Houston, at the past Houston show a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, that's a nice truck. You ever want to share? Let me know. I need a spare truck in the fleet.
Oh, God.
Always nice getting with y'all. Behave.
No.
That man there. All right. Back to my cab overs. Woo-hoo. We've seen that. I think we saw this one at the Houston show. All right, I got you. Actually, y'all going down there now? Okay. Okay, I'll come. I'll meet y'all down there at the truck. Okay. Yeah, guys, we're gonna talk to them in a little bit. They'll show us their truck. Ooh, cattle hauler. 5R. Oh, that's a nice color. That says Texas all over it. Oh, that's a nice truck there, man. But this is what we came down here to see. This truck looks so familiar. I've seen this truck before, I just can't think where. At the record, hopefully we never have to use those guys. I love Old Town Rig Down because it's super chill, laid back. You're literally just walking the streets of Nacogdoches, Texas, which is a little small town. Got the little brick road down here, and all you're doing is just walking up and down, enjoying the trucks, enjoying conversation, and just having a good time. You know, tonight they have a concert. I don't know if we'll stick around for that or not, but tonight they have a concert. They had yesterday too, Friday, but we didn't make that one. But this is one of my favorite shows just because of how laid back it is. Yeah, I just love the color scheme on this truck. Man. All right, let's see what else we find. Just passing through. I like that. Now this one's clean here. Oh, I like those stacks, man. Oh, ooh, the legacies. Okay. Got the food trucks going on there. They actually had some really good food. They gave us some teriyaki earlier. Some teriyaki chicken. Oh, I love those fenders. I'm not a big fan of white trucks, but this one is simple and I like it. Tyler J. Farms, LLC. I like that. Of course, we got this one here, the Roadworks truck. Real nice ride. Super, super, super nice truck. But there are quite a few vendors out here. So, oh, they got the t-shirts out. All right, so what we got here, sir?
We got a 91 379 Peterbilt.
Okay.
Got a 2-inch bumper on the front, RLK visor, 8-inch stacks, 9 flex.
Okay.
Viper red. Got a 300 wheelbase.
300 wheelbase. Okay. Wow.
Sleeper from a 1987 359, and then the cutoffs from a 2007 Peterbilt.
Okay. Wow. And then where do y'all located?
Out of Lufkin, Texas.
Lufkin. Okay. Wow. How long have you had it?
I've had it for almost 7 years.
7 years. Okay.
I bought it as a day cab, and I slowly fixed it up when I was in the oil field. I just slowly kept putting money into it, put money into it, and now here we are today. You know.
Were those 8-inch stacks?
Yeah, 8-inch stacks. Yeah.
Yeah, I love the cutoff at the top.
Yeah, those are Chino style.
Wow.
And not many people here in Texas run those Chino styles. It's more like a California deal.
Right. Correct. Are you from that area, or are you just trying something different?
No, I'm from here. I just trying something different.
Yeah. Nice. Because when you see it, you're gonna know it's you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, I love this grill. Custom.
What?
Is it custom grill?
That grill? Man, I actually got that off of Northern Equipment. Back when I was building a truck, I Googled grills, and it came from Northern Tool Equipment, or however you say it.
Right.
Yeah, that's where it came from.
Right. Wow. Yeah, all that. Wow. How long did it take to complete the build?
Man, well, I'm still changing stuff. Like
Yeah, I can imagine.
Doing the back, but man, it took me like, I don't know, like 2 years, you know.
Okay, not bad.
I ain't got them deep pockets, so I was slowly putting money into it, you know.
Right.
Doing what I can.
Right. What kind of engine do you have under the hood?
I got that 3406B model.
Okay, nice. So she can pull pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Wow. And what did you have before this one?
Man, back in, it was a long time ago. I used to have a couple Freightliners back in the day.
Okay.
But I hadn't been an owner operator for about 10 years. It's been a while, and then I finally got back in the game again. You know?
Okay.
When I was in the oil field, I was like, man, I need something to fall back on.
Right.
So I bought this as a project, and I slowly got it going.
Right. I'm scared to ask. You probably put a good 50 grand into it already?
Oh, man, I got like 100 and something.
Woo!
Yeah, everything's been redone.
Right. But yet you say you don't have deep pockets. They're deeper than mine.
Oh, yeah.
A lot deeper than mine, like 10 times deeper than mine. Wow. Was that a 20-inch grill?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yep.
You got the air ride all the way around?
Yeah, I got it all the way around.
But you're saying you usually haul step deck?
Yeah, I'm doing step deck right now. I've been doing that, checking it out.
Right.
Nothing's too great right now. You know how it is.
Right.
Doing a little bit of whatever, you know.
Right.
Oh, wood chips too. And
Wood chips, okay. Okay. Wow. Yeah, that's a sweet ride.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah. Where can they find you? You have any social media on the truck?
Texas Large Car Boys. Yeah. That's
Okay.
On Instagram, Facebook.
Okay. Yeah, y'all go check them out so y'all can see this beautiful truck. And if you're down here in the Lufkin area, you'll for sure see her on the road.
Yeah.
How often are you in the area?
Man, some weeks every day, some weeks by the weekend. Just never know,
Right,
you know,
right.
wherever
That's
the money
trucking.
takes me, yeah.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, appreciate it.
All right, bro. Thank you.
All right, guys, we got some more trucks here at the bottom of the hill. Okay, I remember this one from last year. I definitely remember this one from last year. Look at those stacks, man. Yeah, I gotta do some 8-inch stacks on the FLD.
Let y'all beat you. Let y'all beat you.
Definitely gotta do some 8-inch stacks. Uh-oh, look at the Columbia. Okay. And the International. Whoop. Bigfoot, 4x4. And looky here, old bearded diesel guy. We got your International here. And we got some trucks over here at the end. Thankfully, the sun has toned down a little bit, and I forgot my Visor Buddy shades this morning. As soon as I left the house, I said, oh man, I forgot my sunglasses. So the struggle is real. Then it's probably a good thing I didn't bring the glasses, because then I would have had a little suntan deal going on. But let's get down here to the bottom of the hill and see what trucks we run into. Ooh, this one is nice. Wow. Talk about some heavy stuff in this kind of Conestoga. Long live outlaw. Oops. Hey. Ooh, look at this bad boy. Excuse me. Oh, that is nice right there. DSD. Oh, that was nice. Oh, no, this is Hater Made. Yeah, Hater Made's got a sick truck, man. This is one sick truck. Okay, got some dump trucks in here. Ooh, that's a nice ride, boy. Bottomley. Bottomley's got two trucks down here, actually. Oh, look at the FLD. Okay. Mid-roof. That's an inspiration right there, man. All right. Got some Pete's down here. Got a W9 right there.
Look at that one. Wow.
This one looks familiar. Yeah, that's what I thought. That one definitely looks familiar. All right, let's check these trucks out back here. Oh, Tri-State. Okay, these are the Tri-State trucks. Josephus. And then as we go over here, there's some, oh, it's another nasty truck. And what we have here, MKC, that's a nice truck. I'm thinking this is probably gonna be more so the color of the FLD, the lighter color, not the darker one. Got the speakers. Oh, that one's a twin stick there. It's got a nice stretch on it. Yes, Karan decided to join us.
Real fast. You know a lot about them.
Headlight bulbs from MK, donated from my buddy Michael. MK LED, they are for a $389. High and low. Oh crap, I done dropped them. They got a 10-year warranty. If they don't work, call Michael. Michael, I'm sorry, I dropped your headlight bulbs already.
There you go.
All right, y'all heard the headlights. High and low, boys. Peterbilt. All right, let's start it right there. $50 wire. $50. I'm gonna $59. I'm gonna $50. $50. I got money behind me. Now 75. Now 75, and I'm gonna 50. Now 75. $75, boys. They told me they were $600 for the pair. I'm asking is for $75. They retail for $200. All right, I got 50, now 75. 75, now $100 bill, now 25. 125, and 50, and 75, and I'm 200. $200, I'm 222, I'm 200. 200, I do 225. 225. 225, and I do 210 for you, sir. 210. 210, now 25. 225. 225, now 35, and I'm at 230. Sir, it's not an estate sale, it's an auction now. It's a benefit auction, sir, not an estate sale. All right, I got 225, now 35. 235, and I'm at 235, and I'm at 235. You're in at 225, now 235. 200, now 35. You want to go 235? 235, and I'm all in, all done. Sold my man right back here with a Peterbilt, I guarantee, for 225 on the headlights. He's going to see what it's marked right here, what they sell for, and he's going to put them on eBay. All right, Troy, show him what you got.
So
we got a bag right
guys?
here. I need a Vanna White.
That looks good.
You're not pretty enough to be Vanna White.
How much you got, sir?
Hey,
I got Troy's credit
if y'all looking for a cowhide duffel bag,
Hey.
He does, y'all.
Hey,
he does.
You can carry it on. Something for the women here too, boys, just like that last item. I don't know who's a Swiftie fan, but we got to have at least, what? Swiftie fan somewhere. All right. I got a Swiftie fan, at least one out there. Let's try it. $50 where? $50, I'm going to $50, I'm going to $50. $50 where? I'm going to $50. Now 75. Now 75, and I'm going to 50. Now 75, and I'm going to 75. 75. You bidding, sir? 75. I got $50, now 75. I do 60 for anybody in the building. $60. $60, now 75. Now 75, now 85, and I'm gonna 95, and I'm gonna now 105. Now 105, 10, 110, 20, 120, now 130, 40, 140. $140, I'm 140, I got 130, 40, 50, 150, 60, 160, 70, 80, 180, 190, 200, 210, sir, 220, 220, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70,
Come on, Statman.
80,
Taylor Swift.
90, 300, 400, now 10. 500, who started this thing at $50? I got 500, now 25. 525. 525, 50, sir. 550, 75. $600. $600. Easy, Benjamin Franklin. 6 of them, sir. 625. 650. 650. 650. I do 35 for you. Now 50. $650. Huh. Now you out, sir. $660 is best I can do. $660. $660. Taylor Swift, boys. Where you gonna find it anywhere else for $660? $660. All in, all done. So my man right there for $660. Taylor Swift. He's a Swiftie fan, I can tell.
Thank you. All right, so what we got here, sir? What we got here?
Man, we got whatever's left. We got some brisket, chicken.
Uh-oh.
We got some more chicken.
Oh.
Fajitas and ribs.
Uh-oh.
And over here
This is the good stuff, huh?
Yeah, we got sausage.
Uh-oh.
And then we got some potato salad.
Oh, wow.
And some rice.
Okay, all right.
Veggies and
There we go.
fajitas.
All right, there we go. Nice. Yup, about the good stuff.
Heck yeah.
And then the best of all, the margarita machine.
Oh, God.
You was jamming before the camera came on,
Yeah,
sir.
I know. See, you can't warn me. If you warn me, that's it. That's it. Cut.
Shake now. Really turns me on. It's a shake. You say shake. Everybody say shake. Let's go. Oh, shake it. Big finish. Big finish. It's too hot. Going to the emergency room. Thank you very much. Enjoy Randy Housing. Good night. We love you. Woo, shit. Thank you. Okay. Hang on, we're gonna do one more. We'll do an encore since y'all missing.
All right, guys. That is a wrap for Old Town Rig Down 2024. Kids are tired. We're tired. And so it is time to head on back to the house. So thank y'all for watching. Did y'all have a good time? Truck show? Josiah? Genesis, walk. Thank you guys for watching. And we will catch you at 12:01 p.m. Central Standard Time on the next episode.